go ahead and let that warm up. Going in, y'all. We're just gonna saute all of this together. Got a cup of water. And this is for everything here, y'all, before I go in with that seasoning. Get all those flavors mixed in together. Y'all know it don't take long to cook shrimp. And if you don't know, you know now, it don't take long, y'all. I don't know if you all saw my post, but the girl is struggling. The girl is really struggling because I'm having some challenges and I just don't know. I got some very life-changing decisions that I'm possibly going to be making. I don't know. It's a lot. Y'all haven't seen my video. I think I called it Lifing or something. I don't know. If you watch that, you'll know what I'm talking about. I don't know if anybody on the live has any elderly parents. For me, it's my mom, who's about to be 85. God's been good to her. I'm here in North Carolina. She's in another state. And you know, as she's aging, things start to happen when you get older. Life is a little bit more challenging. And me, being the oldest daughter so far away, I don't know. I kind of feel some type of way, guys. And I just don't know what to do. So those are my challenges that I'm facing. And I just don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm having a really hard time. Y'all believe in prayer? Keep your girls in prayer. Your mom in prayer. Keep the whole family in prayer. Laverne, you do what? You believe in prayer? I hope so. Prayer changes things. We know that's what I know that. I speak for me. Y'all, these peppers, onions smell so good already. With a little olive oil, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Spread these out. You want them to get nice and tender. I really don't want the sound of the dryer in my videos. I can hear it. That means they can hear it. So I think it's what it's called. I'm going to go in just a little bit of salt because we do have seasoning that we will be using. And I don't know how salty that particular season is going to be. So y'all see me doing salt, a little black pepper, and I'm going to put a little silver on my shrimp. Flip them and do the same thing on the other side. And we are using jumbo shrimp today. And my shrimp have been cleaned, deveined, and shelled. Y'all, those packages be saying that the shrimp is deveined. They're not. Y'all better check it. I always still devein my shrimp. A little salt, black pepper, a little more of oil. And that's it. That's all the seasoning I'm going to be putting on the shrimp. And y'all know I'm going back in with a little bit more pepper. So I love me some pepper. get some of this juice out of here.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you decide to make this fajita shrimp rice bowl, please come back and drop it in the comments and let me know what your thoughts were. Thanks again for watching. It's your girl Keitha T. Y'all be blessed.